What's up, right? JB for ElPhoenixRising here, and I have the Triple Play by Dairy Queen. It's Triple Play. It looks like it has like caramel chocolate covered popcorn on it, and toffee and pretzels. So I figured we just dive on in and get a big scoop out of here. Oh, okay. Trying to get small portions because I'm trying to work on my feet and I'm spilling it everywhere. Dang it. All right, let's try it. I mean, it's not bad. There's a lot going on. It's not bad. I mean, it's sweet and cold and salty. Pause. No? I don't know. Anyway, it's not bad. I definitely buy it again, but it's just a lot going on. It's not like an everyday, like, oh my gosh, this is the blizzard to have, but it's good. It's good. It's worth trying at least once, because remember, it's a limited release, so go get yours now. I do not have a special code or link for you all to use because nobody cares about me doing that. But try it. It's not bad. It's not worth, I mean, it's worth a try. It's not bad. I'd give it a shot if I were you, at least once. I used to say you tried it. I'm sure that's how a lot of people have gotten in trouble. But I mean, it's kind of like they took ice cream and poured a box of Crunch and Munch in it. That's what it tastes like. Exactly what it tastes like. So, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. Or we're over here at ElPhoenixRising. Check out my gaming channel, Reason for Gaming. Love you guys. See you next time. Bacon.